Hey guys, what's up everybody? I am Saurabh from Eastar TV and today I'm going to show you how to hide caller's phone number. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download this app called Top Screen Caller ID and make sure you download this correct app because there are two apps with the same name. So you can also download it from the link I have given in the description box below. And now after downloading it, go to the app, go to the menu section, go to settings, usage, and here you will find display phone number. Now unmark it and that's it. Now go to the settings of your device, go to permissions, go to the permissions of this app, and here you will find this option called display pop-up window. Accept it and otherwise it won't work. Many of you will miss this step and complain that it is not working, but you have to do this step because this is the most important step. And now let's see if it works or not. Gone. And that's how simple it is, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Signing off and goodbye.